Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to fn of sin x. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have cosine x over sin x dx dv, that is about the x over sin x squared. So the integration of this one, we have negative cotangent x. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v. So we have negative and negative, we have positive, and now we have the integration cotangent x multiplied by cosine x over sin x dx. So we know that this one, that is about cotangent x. Cotangent x with cotangent x, we have cotangent x squared. Next, we have the second formula in here. We know that cotangent x squared, that is about cosecant of x squared minus number 1. So I will put this one going here. Next, the integration of this one, we have negative cotangent x number 1, that is about x, and I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.